Alright, hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to download Simscape Multibody to Creo, because this is going to be a reference for me in the future, because I know I'm going to forget in case I have to reinstall it. So the first thing you need to know is you can only download it for, you can't download it for Creo 10. You can try my method, but I don't think it'll work. You can just check, I've got Creo 11.0, so I know it's worked for me. The first thing you want to do is you want to open MATLAB and you want to search for add-ons. So you can install the Simscape Multibody add-on. I've already got it downloaded, but just make sure to have it installed. And then what you want to do after that is you want to download the plugin for Creo. So just go to this website. I'll have the link down below. And then press this link. And after putting in your details at the bottom, it'll ask you for your work or school email. Then you just put that in, and it'll let you have the download links. You want to make sure you download the version the version of Simscape that your MATLAB is currently on. So I've got 2024B. So I'll download this one, and I'm on Windows. And make sure you download both the zip file and the install add-on. You need both of them. After installing, you want to place those files in a folder. So I've got install add-on, and I've got the Simulink one as well. No, not Simulink. Whatever this file is called, the Simscape. That's what it was. And then after that, you want to go here and you want to select the directory for that. So I'll just one sec. So it'll be you just need to find link. I'll just select it right like that, and then paste over here. And then you want to type in install add-on dash, copy the file of the zip folder, the whole thing, paste it, and then you want to press enter. I've already got it downloaded, so it's just going to give me an error. After doing that, you want to write reg MATLAB server, and this basically connects the plugin to MATLAB, so you can, whenever you export it, it'll work. I don't know the details, but you just need to have this. So you press enter, and I'm not going to do it because it does some stuff and it takes some time. After doing that, once you press enter, you want to make sure you type this in as well, and then press enter again. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. And after that, you want to create a new file, and I'll explain what this file is for later. But this file is going to be linked to Creo. So when you open Creo, this file will open this file, and then this is what's going to be contained in the file. So I've already made the file over here, and you need to make sure you have your MATLAB root folder here with the correct name and everything, and it has to link towards this file here. There's a difference in the name of this file depending on which version you are, but I'm on version 11, so it's gonna be, if I show you over here, it'll be over here. So if it's 6.0 or higher, it should be named like this, where n is the version of Creo. The highest there will be is this one right here. So this is the one I've got. If you've got anything, if you got 9.0 or above, this is where you should name it. And I'll show you where the root folder is for. 1 second. This one right here. So you go to C, Program Files, PTC 11.0 Common Files. Let me check. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Go to C, Program Files, MATLAB 2024B, bin 164, and it will be somewhere here. So yeah, there it is. That's the file we're looking for, and you just want to copy the directory and just paste it here. That's the one. So, yeah, same goes for this file over here. This folder, actually, you need to get a directory for this folder as well. It's just the same thing, same process, so it's not that difficult. And then once you've copied it all, I'll link below this text as well. But it's on the website here if you need it. This one right here. Once you do that, just save it in any folder. Doesn't have to be in the Creo root folders. Just save it in any folder because we're going to link it. So I've got a, what was it? Yeah, I've got my ones over here. And then you want to go to your, you need to go to your configuration file in Creo. So we'll navigate to that. Program Files, PTC, Creo, Common Files, and then, where was it? It's in text, I think, and then if you go down, yeah, it'll be here. There it is. So this is the config file. Again, just copy the directory if you need to. Actually, wait on. Yeah, just open this config file. And this is the line that you will need to enter. You won't have this when you first open it, but you'll need this. So this line over here is this is to just register to link the Simscape Multibody tool to Creo, and then this is the my directory to my proe file, as shown previously, which I showed you like earlier. So just copy that directory and paste it over here. I'll have it linked below again, but it's on the website right here. You just look at it. Once you do that, oh, and by the way, by default, for me at least, you can't make changes because you're not an administrator, so I'll show you how to fix that. You want to go to the text file, click Properties, then you want to click Security, and you want to edit, and you want to add people, and then press Advanced, then press Find Now, and it will show you all the users, and select everyone. You probably don't have to select everyone. You can. It probably is like based on a specific, just one user, but I can't really find that user, so I just selected everyone. And once you select it, you just press OK. And once you apply it, they'll show it here. And you want to make sure you have full control enabled. and press OK. And again press OK. And this will let you just edit anything that's in this text folder. So once you open it, go back to the config file, paste this, and then save it. And once you do that, if you open Creo parametric, it'll take some time, but once you do that, it should give you like a few pop-ups when you first open Creo. Just enable I can't remember what the options were, just make sure it, oh, there you go, yeah, there you go. This application is from an unknown source. Do you want to run this application? Yeah, you can press run with this decision, but I'll just press yes. And then you can see over here, you should have Simscape Body Link in the tool section right here. Then once you do that, you're good to go. But I'll show you how it works. Good. I would select my working directory. Okay. And then I'll open this one. So this is just something I built really quickly. And then you press Tools, select Simscape, Export, select Simscape Body Link, and select this folder, and you can just name it whatever you want. So I'll just name it that. And it will save it. But by the way, if this doesn't work, you need to remember that you need to have materials selected for every part of your assembly. So edit materials, as you can see here, I've selected PLA for I've selected PLA for, okay, I don't know what's going on, but I selected PLA for my materials. And basically, yeah, that's basically it, to be honest. What you want to do after that is you can close Creo, you can open MATLAB, and then go to the file, or go to the folder where you saved your XLM file. That's the whole purpose of the Simscape thing, is because you can't save Creo files as Creo assemblies as .xlms. So we just use the Simscape thing to save it in a format which MATLAB can look at it as. This is not needed. And then here's the folder. Here's the file that I saved as. If you just, I know it shows a Microsoft Edge HTML document, but if you just press properties, it will show you that's .xml. That's just the way it displays it. And then once you do that, you want to go to MATLAB. Oh, hold on a second. You want to copy this directory. Go to MATLAB, paste it. Select this directory, and in order to open it, you need to type sm import, open bracket, and then you want to copy the text file, copy the file name, paste it, quotation mark, close bracket, and then press OK. And give it a few seconds, and it should open it. There you go, importing model. This whole process took me quite a while to learn, as I'm new to both MATLAB and Creo, and I just saw a tutorial on being able to, like, connect Creo and MATLAB together. They didn't explain it or anything; they just mentioned it. But I realized you could do it, so I really wanted to connect both of the two, so I could, because it could be useful in the future, and I think it will be useful in the future. But yeah, I just wanted to do it. And anyways, as you can see here, once you, oh gosh, there's planes here. Hold on a second. Okay, the plane's gone now. Anyways, once you open it, it will show you like all the degrees of freedom and like all the parts. So here's the body, here's the top leg, here's the here's like the left leg, here's the right leg, and there's the this is like the upper leg, lower leg, and then there's the both feet. And yeah, if you press run, it will be really cool. It will show you the whole model, and it'll actually like simulate it. Sorry, and animate it as well. So as you can see here, it's showing it moving. Let me just there you go. As you can see here, it's showing it moving. So this is really cool. I'm probably gonna. This is the terrible animation. I haven't used this properly, and I'm guessing you can just you know, change some of the values in this thing over here. Don't know how it works, to be honest. But yeah. And then, oh wow, this is really interesting. And you'll probably be able to change some values to make it more smoothly walking. But yeah, this is just a really cool thing. I just really like this. You can use this for, I don't know, forward kinematics or whatever that is. I don't know. I'm new to all this stuff, to be honest. And but yeah, I've seen you can use it for like robot arms and whatnot. But it's just good stuff, you know. So I'm really surprised that like this my own thing here works. Obviously I shouldn't be, because it should work, but you know, it's really cool. Well, that's all there is to it, to be honest. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.